Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to file for uncontested divorce in Texas. Begin by confirming residency and grounds, then prepare the petition and a signed marital settlement agreement that covers assets, debts, and parenting. File the petition with the county clerk and pay the fee or request a waiver. Serve the other spouse and collect their written waiver or signature. Finally, attend any required hearing and obtain the final decree. Start by filling out clear, accurate documents using the county form formats when available. Draft a concise final decree reflecting the settlement terms so the judge can sign without changes. If children are involved, include a parenting plan and child support worksheet to avoid delays. Be sure all signatures are notarized when required, and keep copies organized for filing, service, and the court file. Quick recommendation and a helpful moment. If you're reorganizing finances after divorce, consider the simple path to wealth for practical, calm money advice that pairs well with settlement planning. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear guides for you. Look in the description for the book link and other deals I mentioned, and now let's get back to the video. After filing, arrange proper service or obtain a signed waiver from the responding spouse to show the court jurisdiction is satisfied. Verify all forms match and include any required exhibits, like settlement agreements. If a hearing is set, arrive on time, dress neatly, and be ready to confirm the terms under oath. The judge will review the agreement and, if acceptable, sign the final decree to conclude the uncontested divorce.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.